This car for change the alternator. This alternator change. You take the front, the grill, take the grill, the radiator, you take this panel, up panel, put it aside, the driver's side. This radiator is back is a have a space. Take it off the air filter. This air filter, take it off. Have a lot of space, Look at this. No need to changing. No need to remove AC compress. No need to remove nothing. Only the front grill, the front panel, up panel. Have a lot of space. You release this belt tension. Release it for take it off of the belt. Take it off of the lining. The belt up, off belting, the cable. You change the alternator. This is easy. No need to take it off. Take AC compress. Only front. 20 minutes the label. 20 minutes. You take the front grill and up. This is very easy. This is for dodging run. This is a run Promaster. I change alternator. Okay, guys. This is easy. Maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hour. I fix this. I take it off the user, put in another one. The first job this. The finished job this. I have this car for changing front pads, front rotors. I don't know. Have a bad noise. The brake old. Rear have a drums. Rear no rotors. The rear is no rotors. Only front pads. Oh, it's no finish pads. No good. Okay, this is fun. Yeah, I finished this car. I changed this car's transmission shift. Put another one. It's very good. Honda. This car need to put a computer. ACM is no work. Let's go, guys. Let's go. The change alternator. Okay.